In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix potential Windows Update database error detected in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type services. Click on the services under the best match. We are going to open the services window. Then we just need to scroll down and look for the Windows Update service. Once you find the Windows Update, all you have to do is make a right click and then go to Properties. For the startup type, change this to disabled. Click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. Then click on the Start button and go to File Explorer. Click on this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for the Windows folder. Scroll down and look for the software distribution folder. And you'll find the data store. Double click and delete everything from here. Control A on keyboard. Click the delete icon at the top. Click on continue. Then click on do this for all current items and click on skip. Okay, so once you have deleted everything from here, go back to the services window and then you have to scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click and then go to Properties and click on Automatic, Apply, click on OK. Then right click again, go to Properties, make sure this is running. Okay, then close it. You can also considering restarting your Windows after doing so. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.